wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best commercial blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Cleanblend 3 horsepower 1800 watt comes with a 64-ounce BPA-free container and a stainless steel blade assembly with sealed ball bearings, making it a smooth, strong and reliable machine. It's backed by a generous 5-year warranty. It includes a long tamping wand for thick blends and a dial to adjust the speed. However, it can smell like it's overheating. At number 9, the Blendtec Total Classic packs a 1560 watt motor into a relatively compact base. With that much power behind its durable blade assembly, virtually any ingredients can be reduced to a pulp at speeds of up to 29,000 RPM. It's covered by an 8-year warranty, and corners on the jar allow for easy pouring, but it is a bit on the noisy side. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Vitamix A3200 works with the company's mobile app, which offers plenty of recipes, as well as the ability to create your own. Its base acts as a scale that feeds weight information into the app, so you can measure your ingredients precisely. It includes a 4-foot power cord, and there are several color options. However, it can be tough to extract sticky foods. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for commercial blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, though it is designed for home use, the Vitamix A3500 is suitable for establishments that occasionally want to make blended foods and drinks. Its intuitive touch controls are easy for employees to use. It features a brushed stainless finish and a built-in digital timer, but it is hard to use with small quantities. Moving up our list to number 6. The Blendtec Professional 800 features programs for smoothies, soups, shakes, crushed ice, and even self-cleaning, so it can do everything but prep your ingredients. It also has 11 user-controlled speeds. It's got an LCD countdown timer, a 36-ounce capacity, and a slider to adjust the power. Halfway up our list at number 5. Busy bars and restaurants would do well to consider the capable Vitamix 5201 XL, which features a 192-ounce container for mixing everything from a large round of margaritas to a whole lot of Bloody Mary mix in a single blend. It also includes a half-gallon jar, and the controls are simple to understand, but it's extremely heavy at over 40 pounds. At number 4, the Wearing Electronic CB15 is a powerful 3-speed model that's built like a tank. It comes with a 1-gallon stainless container. It includes a handy pulse function and a nearly 4 horsepower motor, and it can make over 100 drinks per day. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Blendtec Stealth 895 NBS boasts a 3.8 peak horsepower motor with 42 pre-programmed cycles that can create a wide assortment of drinks and other treats. Its blade makes an exceptionally powerful vortex to mix ingredients thoroughly as it spins. It comes with Eastman Triton copolyester jars and operates very quietly. It's backed by a 3-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for commercial blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Vitamix Prep improves on the company's 5200 model, which had been their flagship for decades, by adding an on-off switch for safety, as well as beefing up the motor significantly. The container is BPA-free and very difficult to damage. It spins fast enough to warm soup and includes a useful tamper. It crushes ice effectively. And taking the top spot on our list, if the Vitamix Quiet One looks familiar, that's likely because you've seen it behind the counter at your favorite coffee shop. Its sound shield is remarkably effective, and it offers a wide variety of settings, including 2 pulse modes. It holds up to 48 ounces and includes an LCD screen for information and 6 useful programs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for commercial blenders, or simply click beneath this video.